The Ford government released details on how it will distribute the vaccines. It's expecting around 100,000, which would give about 50,000 people the 2 doses needed. But there is still so much to be ironed out, and vulnerable long-term care residents may not be able to get the first batch after all.
Our first shipments of a very small number of doses could arrive as early as next week. But we're still very far, and I got to repeat that, very far from having the millions of vaccines we need for mass immunization.
The plan has always been to give the first doses to vulnerable residents in long-term care and frontline healthcare workers in phase 1 of distribution. But the government is warning the initial shipment won't be enough to cover everyone in those groups, so priority will go to high-risk zones first. And there's another problem. The Pfizer vaccine, which is arriving first, needs special refrigeration and can't be moved multiple times, so it can't be delivered directly to long-term care homes.
And if we can't, we'll get the workers in those homes to come to the vaccination site where the vaccine is delivered.
Long-term care residents will likely have to wait for a different vaccine like Moderna before they can get a shot, but there's no timeline for its arrival. The provincial government is expecting doses for 1.2 million people in the first quarter of the new year, but General Rick Hillier, who heads the distribution task force, warns it will be a slow process.
We won't be able to do everyone each day or on the first day, so people are going to have to be patient that their turn will come.
The timing is still unclear for each phase, but General Hillier believes phase 2, when the bulk of vaccines arrive, will begin in April and last 6 to 9 months. By the time Ontario is in phase 3, possibly around October to December, he hopes people can go to the drugstore or their doctor's office for it. Premier Ford today said he does not believe in mandating the vaccine and feels forcing people would be unconstitutional. He is, though, strongly urging people to get one.